Also get the envelopes for these, the plastic.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
You got more?
No, that's it.
All right.
I'll roll it.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, the printing is $267.
Is that,
This is their sign for the. Oh my! I'm done with that. But yeah.
How's it smell?
It smells okay. I don't know. I don't see anything over here. Let's go find those New Balance sneakers.
Okay.
I think this does just come down more.
what do you think that's from the what's the first two? You like
Wanted to put my sunglasses on to see how the jacket would look with them, because you know I always like throw these on for like extra accessorizing. So yeah, this is the jacket. I saw this the other day when we were here. I was like, you know what, I think I might get that. And I saw it in green, but I like it in black. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get it. I am. I'm gonna get this. It's cute. It's really cute. I like it. So we're here in Target. Y'all know it's our home away from home. And we're purchasing some hygiene products and stuff like that. And so I'm getting this fat lip oil. So Kim has convinced me or sold me on it. She's influenced me because like she said because she's an influencer. But this is really good. I love lip oils. Y'all know that. But this color or is colorway, whatever. It's really like nice on the lips, and it doesn't show up like a lipstick. It's
A sheer color.
yeah, like a sheer color, and it just kind of adds a little life to your lips or whatever. Then of course we have our sanitary napkins, and then we have some body wash here. I love this brand, so I wanted to try this green tea and cucumber. Where did I stick this?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
That's why you're at Target.
Right, they think of all the great things. Okay, so let's go to the Frenshe
Let's go to the
section.
movies.
Okay, y'all know that I've been like ranting and raving about Frenshe. I love this stuff, y'all.
Body and hair oil.
I'm going to get cashmere vanilla again because I really love it. Wait, you know what? Let me see. Do I want cashmere vanilla? Ooh, but this is the body wash. Wait a minute. Should I get the body wash? Or should I get raw? No, I'm gonna get raw. I know for sure how it does with me. So guys, I think because I have the cashmere vanilla, I think I'm gonna get the Solar Fluor. I think I'm gonna get the mist. I'm gonna get, well, they don't have the lotion here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the lotion in cashmere vanilla because I love that. And then I think I'm gonna get the body oil as well. I'm not sure. I really wanna, How's this one smell?
Smells good. It has like a musky kind of.
Wait a minute. Spray that. Let me smell.
Well, this is the one you sprayed already.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So let me see.
Well, so let me test it.
Oh, yeah, that does smell good.
I think I'm gonna get the body spray. I have all the other ones in this.
Yeah.
And I like this, but I think I want this for like my clothes. That's nasty.
And what's that? The Palo Santo Sage?
Santo sage.
Yeah. Okay. So you know what? I'm gonna. Why is that nasty? What do you mean?
It's got some like oil or something all
Ew.
over it.
Okay. So I'm gonna get this one, the Palo Santo Sage. Let's put that in here. Okay. And then what'd you get? The Palo Santo Sage? You got the Palo?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to get the Solar Floor Mist. And then I'm going to, I think I'm going to go ahead and get the Cashmere Vanilla because I love this scent.
If you put your phone here, you can.
Yeah. Okay. Should I do this or should? But I already have oil at home, and that oil works fine. See, this what this.
BRB.
Okay. So yeah, I have the oil. I have oil at home by Dr. Dickens, or is it Dickinson? Whatever the name is. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this. And yeah, I'm waiting on Kim to come back with the darn buggy because she's trying to test something. Would you stop? My goodness. So yeah, So what did you get? You got this and this,
Yeah,
or is,
I just got
you just got that?
Right
Oh, wait, what am I doing? Oh, I was gonna get the oil. So no, I'm getting these two things. Yeah. But is this the hand serum? Oh, hand serum. Wait a minute. Oh, see, this is how they get me. This is how they get me right here. Get out of here. Okay, let's get Nivea. Y'all, this is so bomb. So bomb. Like, I love Nivea products. They really make my, like, whatever, feel really good and moisturized. And that's what you need, especially now during the colder months because, you know, seasons are changing. And along with season changes come, you know, dried skin and things like that, especially during the fall and the winter for me. And so, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this. I might go ahead and get the EOS again. I do have some of that though, so yeah, I think I'm good. And here's
I
Kim.
don't see the clean towel thingies.
Yeah, I know, I was looking for that.
I don't think.
Okay guys, so far we have this, both Kim and I have this, and we have this, and then we have these here. We're still in October, but it's so nice and Christmassy here. Yes. Oh, this is nice. Look at this little blanket here. Oh, it feels good too. Yeah, throw. Okay, yeah. Why would I get this for my room? And I have those pillows too. Where are you? Oh yeah, we're going to see the Nutcracker, guys, and she's so excited. Oh my gosh! Now we ain't getting that ugly thing, but
that's cool.
because you know they wrong for that.
Oh.
They could have made that so.
They couldn't
You see,
give us
why
one
we
of
couldn't
these.
have that look?
They give us this stuff.
All right, I guess so.
We like that. Didn't Mom have a Nutcracker?
Yeah, she did. Was it black? I think it was black.
No,
Okay.
they didn't have that at that time.
Yeah, see, the excitement, y'all, is that while we were kids, our mom decorated, and it was like the traditional decorations and stuff, and we didn't have the, you know, the black Nutcracker,
traditional one.
Santas, all that. Yeah, we had the traditional one. But yeah,
He has a cup of Joe.
it's okay because we got him now.
You got the one in the dress.
It's a jacket. It's a coat. It's a whole coat. I am trying on this sweatshirt, y'all. Oh my gosh. Target. Y'all about to get on. No, I'm gonna beat that. Y'all not finna get all my money. But I am gonna be shopping with you guys. So this is a new sweatshirt from, I don't know who this is by. Who is this? This is A New Day. And I was thinking about getting it oversized. Yeah. And Kim was like, no, that's not the type of sweatshirt for that. And so I got a large, so I'm in a large. Oh my gosh, it looks good. It feels so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. So y'all know I'm going into the studio really soon, and I want like really cute, you know, like comfortable pieces to go into the studio with. So y'all, this looks so good. I'm so excited because y'all know how I am about my clothes and fashion and all that kind of stuff. Like I like for stuff to look good, feel good, want to smell good, all that. And so yeah, this is just super cute. It is. I love it, and I'm getting it. It's cream. It goes with my neutral aesthetic. I don't care about what none of y'all say, because I know a lot of people be like, well, you know, neutral aesthetic, it's just so boring. It doesn't have to be. It does not have to be. So yeah, super cute.
I'm so sleepy.
Why?
You know, tired. I just like to update.
You've been recorded soon. Huh? Hello. So what are we getting? We're sharing the ribs and our own baked potato.
Happen.
Looks like they're just too big. Yeah, those are too big.
At all. No.
I see.
They're not too big.
So guys, we're here at Target this morning. No, is it morning? It is morning. Sure is.
Still, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, it's still morning on a Sunday morning. We tried going to church today, y'all. But we got turned around because 2819 Church is hosting the Acts 242 conference. So we'll be going back next Sunday when they have their 3 services. And I'm excited to go. I'm excited to sit under my new pastor. Amen.
Oh my gosh. So we're at the car wash, and
We're at a
we were
new
so
one.
confused. We're at a new car wash, and we were so confused because Keyandra's been here before, but they've changed some things, and those things already you make me worried. I hate going through those little car wash things, and so we had to stop and put the, you know, like wait for them to come and tell us to come inside. We were like, are they gonna vacuum around our feet, or so confused? But they finally told us what, because the first guy that we came in contact with, he talked so fast and he wasn't very clear at that, so we were very confused. Mr. Get It Together. We're at Mr. Car Wash.
Yeah. Guys, I wouldn't suggest coming here. Here's our car. It's out there. As you can see, the guy is washing, or rather vacuuming the floor and all of that. Yeah, just go and throw that in the trash. Yeah, thank you. Hey, how you doing? Brother? He was like, brother, hey.
Hello.
So yeah, y'all. Outfit of the day. You like the sole of it?
No, I wish that the sole was a chunky sole, but I like this. And then I wish they were black. I like this. But I do like the soul.
Yeah. Hey guys, so my Clinique package came in the mail this morning and I am so excited, y'all, because remember I was in Target the last time and I was talking to you guys about this, and I was standing over by the Clinique section and I was like, I hope they send this moisture surge. I had no idea that they would. So I've already opened it, y'all. But so yeah, so here is the moisture surge. I am so excited because I've been wanting some of this. Again, because I had some earlier this year and it works really well. I just love how it makes my skin feel. And I've really been using my L'Occitane and my La Roche-Posay. But this is really good, y'all. I love it. And I'm very grateful that they decided to send it to me. But then they also sent the, what is this? It's the Moisture Surge Lip. It's like a lip plumper, and I guess it's probably like a lip gloss. I'm gonna read more into it, but yeah, I can't get this to, yeah, okay, so here we go. Yeah, so it's probably like a gloss that kind of plumps the lip or whatever, but it also moisturizes, and so that's really dope. I love it. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much, Clinique, for sending me these things and for thinking about me. Yeah, it's very dope. I really appreciate it.
Yup, it's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Is she there yet?
Yeah, she here.
Oh, okay.
We were just talking about your real bad just then.
Uh,
No, I'm messing with you, bro.
My faith is strong. Yeah, my faith is strong. My faith is strong. Oh my gosh.